This is the instruction on how to do your DNA test. So I'm going to do this with you. I'm literally going to do one. So if you want to grab your packet, think of it like I'm sitting across from you and we're doing this together. Your packet is going to come, it should look like this, and you'll have your name and address on here. It will be mailed to you in this, or you'll pick it up at the office. There's a code here. So this is your code for your packet. So this one's already open. You'll just take everything out of the packet and make sure you have everything. So you have your instruction sheet. So just open that up and put that next to you. And let's pull everything out. Whoop. Okay. So this is going to be what you mail it in. So you're just going to set that aside for right now. You're going to have this packet, and there's 2 little vials in there. And there's this that when you open up, there's going to be 2 swabs in there. They say, Matt, verify that the kit number on your vials match. So let's look at those. So there's, on mine, it starts with 3 letters, and those are the same. And then there's a number. So mine is, I'm not going to read it out loud. I don't know that I should. So those numbers match. Okay. So those numbers match. Please be sure to wait at least 1 hour after eating or drinking. So you should have had the instructions about waiting 1 hour after eating or drinking. If you have not waited, go ahead and just pause this video and come back when you've waited at least 1 hour after eating or drinking. Okay, so follow the swab instructions below. You're going to place the unopened swab and vial on a clean surface. We're going to do this with each side of the cheek. So, okay, so we have these 2 together and these 2 together. Remove the swab from its package and firmly scrape the inside of one cheek while rotating the swab for 45 seconds. Can't get it open. There it is. Oh, that side looks better. Oh, that would be the side to do it. Do it on the side where it's not the swab. That makes sense if that was harder. Okay. So do you have yours? And I've got a timer in front of me, so 45 seconds. Mm-hmm. $15 more. Okay, went a little bit over. Open one vial. Insert the swab, tip down. Align the black line on the swab with the edge of the vial. So it's on there. And snap off with the swab tip remaining in the vial. Ooh, that snapped very nicely. I'm gonna set that aside. And tip remaining in the vial's liquid. Continue the process with the second vial and swab. I assume I'm supposed to put the lid on. That probably says it anyway. Okay, and then I'm gonna ensure the orange cap is securely fastened. There it says it on the vial. Insert the vial into the clear plastic bag and then seal it. So we gotta do the second one on the other cheek. So opening at the non-swab end. And then let's do the other cheek. Here we go, 45 seconds. in the cheek. Ten more seconds. In the cheek. We'll go a couple over just in case. Okay. So we've already done it, right? We know that we take the lid off. We're gonna line up the black line to the thing, snap it, put the lid on. Nice and tight, make sure they're nice and tight on there. Put them in the bag. Then, oh, that's most important. Your number that's on here needs to match on here too. Just make sure, you never know. So you make sure the vials were the same and make sure that's the same too. Okay. So we're gonna seal that. Make sure there's not too much air in there. There's a little bit of air in there. I don't think it really matters, but okay. Place a sealed plastic bag in the return envelope. Then it's sealed. Now you're gonna drop this in the mail. So I prefer driving it to the mailbox, but you can just leave it for your mail person to get. And it takes a while for the results to get back, but let me know as soon as you drop this in the mail and then you're all set.